Welcome to Mayta Sebastian Architecture, where design meets innovation and technology elevates our creative process. The world of architecture is evolving, and we're leading the way with our tech-driven approach. Laser scans, where precision meets vision. We employ cutting-edge technology to create meticulous 3D models, gaining a comprehensive understanding of existing structures without any disruption. Respect for foundations is paramount. Our non-invasive testing ensures that every design intervention is grounded in a thorough understanding of structural integrity, fostering a harmonious balance between innovation and stability. Soaring to new heights. Drones provide us with breathtaking aerial perspectives, revolutionizing site surveys and minimizing our environmental footprint. It's not just about seeing differently, it's about designing with a fresh perspective. Pictures to 3D magic. With photogrammetry, we transform images into immersive models, bringing our design concepts to life visually. It's not just architecture, it's a visual storytelling experience. Our design powerhouse, Building Information Modeling, or BIM. It's the heartbeat of our process, fostering collaboration, enhancing visualization, and ensuring a seamless construction journey. BIM is not just a tool, it's our guiding force. At Mayta Sebastian, technology isn't just a tool, it's our creative partner. It empowers us to reimagine what's possible in architectural design. We're not just architects, we're innovators shaping the future. Curious about how our tech-infused approach can elevate your project? Let's connect. Mayta Sebastian Architecture is here to turn your vision into architectural reality. Join us in embracing the future of design.